Hello, Professor. Welcome to the Tawfik AI Tutoring Framework, version 2.0. If you've ever felt like you're drowning in course materials, grading, and endless student emails, well, grab a coffee, because your life is about to get a whole lot easier. Let's get you logged in. You and your students share the same portal, so the first step is crucial. Click the Professor role toggle at the top of the login card. The tagline will change to Course Authoring and Management Portal. That's your cue that you're in the right place. If you're a brand new professor, you'll need to click Create Account and enter a special invite code from your system administrator. Keep it secret, keep it safe. Without it, no new professor accounts can be created. Think of it as the VIP pass to the faculty lounge. Once you sign in, you'll see the professor selection screen. This is where you tell the system where your courses live on your computer, your course's workspace folder. If the path shown is already correct, just click Launch Creator Interface, and you're in. If you need to change it, click Browse and select the right folder. The good news? The system remembers your path for next time. No more hunting for that folder you definitely named something logical 3 months ago. Welcome to your command center. The Creator Interface is beautifully simple, split into 3 main panels. On the left, the Hierarchy Architect, your course's skeleton. In the center, the Media Preview, your instant content monitor. And on the right, the star of the show, your AI co-professor agent. You can even toggle any panel on or off using the I buttons in the toolbar to focus on exactly what you need. Let's break them down. Let's start building. Your course follows a strict 4-level family tree: course, module, topic, and finally, lesson. To kick things off, right-click in the empty space of the Hierarchy Architect and select Create New Course. Let's call it Fluid Mechanics 101. Boom! You're officially a digital architect. Now, add your modules, topics, and lessons by clicking Add Subitem. The system is smart, it knows exactly what level comes next. No guessing, no mistakes. Just remember one golden rule. Lessons are the leaves on your tree. You cannot add branches to a leaf, and you can double-click any item to rename it directly in the tree. Very handy when you realize you've misspelled Bernoulli for the 3rd time. Instead, lessons are where the magic happens. Right-click any lesson to attach your content. You can upload a local video file, set a YouTube link as the main video, attach your PDF lecture notes, or add supplementary materials, extra PDFs, images, or even additional YouTube videos with custom captions. It's like packing a digital backpack for your students. Except this backpack never gets too heavy and never ends up under a pile of laundry. Now, let's meet your new best friend, the AI co-professor agent. This isn't just a chatbot. It's an autonomous collaborator that understands your entire curriculum, remembers your full conversation history, and can take real actions on your course with your approval. Think of it as a teaching assistant who never sleeps, never asks for a raise, and never eats your lunch from the faculty fridge. Want to brainstorm? Just ask it, what topics should I cover for fluid dynamics? And it will chat with you about pedagogy. But it gets better. You can ask it to do the heavy lifting. Type, create 3 lessons on viscosity types under topic, viscosity, and it will propose a structured plan in the action panel below the chat. Review the proposed nodes, their names, levels, and parent assignments. Then click Approve and Execute to create them instantly, or Reject and Modify to ask for changes. The agent only touches your database when you explicitly approve. No surprises. Don't have lecture notes for a lesson? No problem. Ask the co-professor to generate them. Just type something like, Generate notes for lesson. Introduction to viscosity, covering Newton's law of viscosity, kinematic viscosity, and temperature effects. It will propose a note generation plan, and once you approve, it drafts the content using AI, creates a PDF, saves it in your course folder, and links it directly to your lesson. It's like magic, but it's just really, really good code. Now, here is the most crucial step: compiling. Before you publish, you must click the Compile button or type /compile in the chat. This tells the system to scan all your PDFs and generate AI-powered semantic summaries for every node in the course, from individual lessons all the way up to the course level. This is what makes the student AI tutor so incredibly smart. Without compiling, the tutor only has individual lesson notes. With compiling, it has the full picture. It's a genius. And thanks to smart caching, if you update just one lesson and recompile, the system only reprocesses that one lesson. Everything else is reused from the previous compilation. Fast, efficient, and your electricity bill will thank you. Before we send this masterpiece out into the world, let's double-check our work using the Media Preview panel in the center. Just click any video, PDF, image, or YouTube link in your tree, and it plays or displays instantly, right there without switching to another application. Click through your entire course tree and make sure everything looks exactly as your students will see it. No surprises on launch day. Everything looks perfect? Great. First, click the indigo Save Authoring State button at the bottom of the hierarchy architect. This saves your entire course tree to a SQLite database file in your workspace folder. You can save at any time, and you should. Save early, save often. Your future self will be very grateful. Finally, it's time for liftoff. Click the teal Publish and Sync to Cloud button. The system saves your authoring state automatically first, then authenticates with Google Drive and uploads everything your students need. You'll see a live scrolling log of every file being synced, so you know exactly what's happening. When you see the confirmation message, you're done. Your students can now access the course, complete with their brilliant AI tutor. And the system performs a smart sync. Only new or changed files are uploaded, so subsequent publishes are lightning fast. Version 2.0 introduces two exciting new features. First, the Cloud Course Browser. Click the cloud icon in the toolbar to see all published courses, yours and those shared with you by colleagues. You can download any course to your local workspace, even if you originally created it on a different computer. Just select the course row and click Download to Workspace. The system even lets you re-download to get the latest version. It's like having your entire course library in your pocket. The second new feature is course sharing. Right-click any top-level course node in your tree and select Share Course. A dialog opens showing who currently has access. Type a colleague's professor username, click Share, and they'll instantly see your course in their cloud browser. When you're done, click Done, save changes to apply the update to Google Drive. Remember, sharing only works with registered professor accounts. Students cannot receive shared courses, so your carefully crafted course is safe from curious undergraduates. To wrap up, let's review the complete recommended workflow, all 10 steps. 1. Log in and select the professor role. 2. Plan your structure with the co-professor. 3. Create your course hierarchy. 4. Attach your content to lessons. 5. Generate lecture notes for any lessons that need them. 6. Preview everything in the Media Preview panel. 7. Save your authoring state. 8. Compile to generate semantic summaries. 9. Publish and sync to the cloud. And 10. Share with colleagues if you'd like. It sounds like a lot, but once you've done it once, you'll fly through it like a seasoned pro. A few golden rules to keep in mind. Always compile before publishing. Without it, the student AI tutor only has individual lesson notes, not the full course context. Save frequently. The database is rebuilt from your current tree on every save. And if the co-professor proposes the wrong structure, just click Reject and Modify. It will revise its plan without touching the database. It doesn't take it personally. It's a robot after all. For quick troubleshooting, if the co-professor says, "No workspace loaded," open or save a workspace first. If students report generic AI answers you haven't compiled yet, run compile, then publish again. And if Cloud Publish fails, check your internet connection and Google Drive credentials. The live log will show you the exact error. Thank you for using the Tawfik AI Tutoring Framework version 2.0. You're now fully equipped to log in, build, compile, publish, and share incredible AI-powered courses for your engineering students. Your co-professor is always standing by, your cloud browser is always ready, and your students are going to love it. Happy teaching, Professor, you've got this.